Good morning, Bears. I'm Joslyn. Welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is Friday, January 10th. Hope you dressed to stay warm again this morning. Ladies, if you want to try out for the softball team, you need to attend 2 meetings. The first one is today at 4:30 p.m. and the second one is tomorrow, 9 a.m. to noon. You need to attend both meetings, have a physical filed, and be cleared with the athletic trainers prior to tryouts. Our Bears basketball team continued their undefeated district streak with their 101-25 blowout of the Taft Raiders this past Tuesday. Today, they face off the Warren Warriors at the Paul Taylor Fieldhouse at 5 p.m. BFND Bears. Sadly, our Lady Bears ended their 9-game winning streak with the loss to Sotomayor 60-50 this past Wednesday. Tomorrow, they face off Harlan at the Northside Sports Gym at 12:30 p.m. BFND ladies. Davian Charles scored the lone goal in the Bears soccer team 1-0 win against the Sotomayor Wildcats on Tuesday. Way to kick it, Bears. Today through tomorrow, they continue to compete in the Southwest ISD Showcase at Dragon Stadium. After 80 minutes of play, our Lady Bears soccer team ended their match in a scoreless tie against the Sotomayor Lady Wildcats. Today through tomorrow, they also continue to compete in the Northeast ISD tournament at Northside Field 1. BFND soccer teams. Today, Luna middle schoolers visited our campus. Kudos to everyone for showing them what Brennan is all about. Today, Brennan PTSA will have a membership pop-up booth. Stop by the front of the school to learn more about our PTSA, including membership opportunities, our community initiatives, and how you can get involved. Students can earn service hours by volunteering. Those interested can sign up through Sign Up Genius, which will be shared on social media platforms. Search for Brennan PTSA or Gmail, brennanptsa@gmail.com. Earn some hours. Seniors, if you need assistance filing out the financial aid application, join Career Advisor Kathy Gonzalez for a financial aid workshop on Monday, January 13th from 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Tomorrow, our Brennan cheerleaders will perform in the NISD Showcase at the Harlan Gym at 12:25 p.m. So come out and support them as they prepare for their journey to NCAA Nationals. It's free, so come out to cheer on the ladies. Finally, on Tuesday, January 14th, we will have our Advanced Academic and Elective Parent Night from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the cafeteria. You can get important information about our advanced academic courses, elective courses, and endorsements for the 2025-2026 school year. You will also see our outstanding teachers, counselors, and administrators. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Joslyn signing off on BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and evolve every day. Dress warm tomorrow.